just 2 days not being in the garden, like not even for 5 minutes good. I do come in the garden, but I'm like in and out, like whoops, zoops, yeah, like that. My garden is progressing so well. I wish I had the phone from our very first reactions. The pepper plant just made a big push. And look inside here. Look at that. Guys, now the big excitement for me. You know, I really think my garden planned for me this morning. So they say, all right, let's surprise her. Look at these tomatoes. They just spring up just like that. These, what is that? They are gungo buds. Our pigeon peas. Oh my god. So I didn't get it for Christmas, but I'm getting it for this new year. Oh my word. And initially when I came out here, I was looking at everything else, like everything else, and I didn't see it. It was when I turned my back and coming back out of the garden, I was like, what are those? Look at here, guys. Oh my word. The joy, the thrill, the everything. Before I go anywhere else, let me come back here and show you my pak choy. Look at it. I am so delighted. And just 2 days ago I showed you these callaloo amaranth, and look at the push. I'm seeing a little yellowing and stuff like that. 2 days of not maintaining my garden, that is. Look at here, guys. Look at here. Looks like this is going to stick. And I see some more making their way right there. Look at my cucumber.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.
Hello my gardening family, welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate every single one of you, my gardening family. Thank you all so much. I am super happy today. My garden is full of so many new surprises this morning. The joy that comes with it. I mean, my garden almost got me to tears. I mean, when you can say, look at God, it hits different. And that's simply because a few months ago, when my garden, oh Lord, when my garden wasn't doing very well because of the extreme heat and the pests that I was dealing with. And of course, life was lifing. And so I didn't get the chance to be in my garden as much as I wanted. But some people, I'm telling you, they have the nerves, yes, to speak negatively over me and my garden. And it is very sad, because I wonder if some people really know that other people actually do have feelings, like blood runs through my vein. But I marveled, because I know the God that I serve, and I know once I do my part, He will do the rest. And so I consider it very sad, not for me, because I'm a child of God who is rooted and grounded. All right, so yes, you may say something, and yes, it may seem a little hurtful, but God has taught me to go through fire and not be burnt. Yes, it is sad for others who is not rooted and grounded in God. You know, some comments that I got, if some persons got those comments, I mean, the discouragement would just lead them to just throw in the towel, forget about it, forget about gardening, forget about YouTube, and just forget about it all. but I stopped in there because whew, yeah, I'm not going to have a church up in here, but I'm telling you but it's all about positivity over here, over on this side. And I love when I can say to God be the glory. I love when I can say, look at you, Daddy, just look at you. All right, so I got so emotional. I mean, I was like, who is cutting onions? Yes, guys. So anyway, I'm not going to keep you. Let's get back to it. Look at these tomatoes. They're flowering. Peppers, 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 and more peppers. There are so many things that I need to get done inside here, but I have to show you the highlight. After the 2 days, I'm like, whoa, look at you. Look at my 10 o'clock flowers. Look at the blooms. They're so pretty. I am also getting flowers right here on this tomato plant right here. There are some over here as well. The plant is looking so good. I need to get this part inside of the trellis right there. Guys, look at my okra. My burgundy okra. And more over here as well. I truly believe that my garden planned for me. Like they were saying, let us surprise her when she comes back, because they know I was going to be busy for the 2 days, because I tell them, you know, I told them I'm going to be busy, so I'll come and look at you and just out. So zoops, I was in, and whoosh, I was out. So this bell pepper starts to blush. You can see it's a red one right there. Wow, look at this tomato. I need to tie strap it to this trellis right here. Do you all see my chayote or my chocho? Oh no, I think one of my, well, I don't think you can see that one of my bell peppers or sweet peppers fell to the ground. That's just how it is. You win some, you lose some. These are pushing out their flowers now. I can't wait to see what these tomatoes look like. Of course, the good and faithful pear tomatoes are still there, readily available. These parsleys, they have been doing their thing. Look at them. They are looking so lush and nice. Oh no, I have some whiteflies right here. Look at that. Oh my word. I'm not sure what this pepper is, you know. I'm wondering if it is cayenne. That would be nice. Look at this baby. I think this plant is suffering around here. Oh no. Needs water. Well, you win some and you lose some. And that's just gardening. Yep. I'm looking to see what else is going on. I mean, everything is doing their thing and doing well, looking good. I must say that first of all, but there are some that are just doing exceptionally well. My broccoli right here saying to me, what about me? You're looking good, broccoli. You're doing well. This cabbage right here as well. Everything. I'm loving you guys. Y'all are progressing so well. And I have some melons inside here doing their thing as well. I am so happy for everything, but I mean, my gungo Our pigeon peas made my whole morning, my day, my evening, possibly my week. I'm checking on the gooseberry around there. It takes long to ripen, man. And I can see where I'm going to get several. Like, I'm already looking at them. If you know them, what they look like, you'll be able to identify. You'll see that several is expected to come. My coconut tree right here, I need to cut off that branch right there. See, putting out a new shoot inside here, so it is leaning. I wonder why. It looks like it is leaning to me. These string beans, they are progressing so well. Like, they're really blow my mind. Got this cabbage right here, making nice progress. I think I'm getting a banana pepper right here. Yes, that's a banana pepper. Got the cucumber that we planted recently, not looking bad at all. The one that is over here, I think I showed you where the slugs got to it. Yep. Let me check on the other two, or three, I believe, because one is right here. Yes, that needs watering. Been so pale. The lizard. Alright, so one is around here, not looking bad, and see the other one right there. So I soon have them trellising. Look at my sweet potatoes over there. They're looking so good. I wish I could see around here now, because this pineapple plant right here, it is just making great progress from the other day, but I can't see around there, and I can't deal with them from here. So I just decided to just let them stay there and do whatever. But this one, I'm just wondering if something is going on inside here. Guys, look at this. Oh, by the way, before I even go there, the cereals that I planted inside here, look what the slugs did. Yep, that is what is left of it. I mean, almost all of them germinated. So I was showing you this papaya tree that I cut, and I said I wasn't going to do the same thing like I did with the others. But look at that. It is still making branches nevertheless. I thought maybe because I did cover the top right here, that it will have rot from the inside down, but look at it. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam down.